Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well.
In this video, we are going to solve remaining 15 question of chapter 3 fraction for class 3. This content is from IMO Olympiad workbook 2122 MTG publication by Mahavir Singh. Please watch part 1 for first 15 question. Link is given in description. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Question number 16. If triangle is equal to 1 whole, then this equal to dash. Here this first figure represent 1 and in this figure there are total 2 equal parts and out of 2 one part is shaded. So it equals to 1 and half. So here A is correct answer. Question number 17. The fraction of the digit 2 in the given arrangement is dash. So there are total 30 numbers and out of 30 there are 7 times 2. So fraction of digit 2 is 7 by 30. C is correct answer. Question number 18. Which of the figure have equal shaded fraction? In figure 1 there are total 4 parts and out of 4 3 parts are shaded. In figure 2 there are total 4 parts and out of 4 2 parts are shaded. In figure 3 there are total 4 parts and out of 4 2 parts are shaded. And option 4 there are total 4 parts and out of 4 3 parts are shaded. So 1 and 4 are equal and 2 and 3 are equal. So here A is correct answer. Question number 19. How many parts of given figure should be shaded to make 3 by 8 shaded figure? So in this given figure there are total 8 parts and if we shade 3 parts then the fraction will be total equal part 8 and out of 8 3 parts are shaded, so it is equal to 3 by 8. So here we have to shade 3 parts. C is correct answer. Question number 20. What fraction of given tomatoes are red? So here total tomatoes are 13 and out of 13 tomatoes there are 7 red tomatoes. So the fraction will be 7 by 13. B is correct answer. Question number 21. In a bird cage there are 2 sparrows and 3 parrots. Rohan has 5 such birds cage. What fraction of total number of birds are parrot? So in one cage there are 2 sparrows and 3 parrots, means total birds 5. In one cage there are 5 parrots. In 5 cage how many birds will be there? 5 into 5 means 25. And in one cage there are 3 parrots. So in 5 cage how many parrots will be there? 3 into 5 means 15. So in 5 cage there are total 25 birds and out of 25 15 will be parrots. So fraction will be 15 by 25. So D is correct answer. Question number 22. In a bus there are 42 passengers. Out of these 14 by 42 are women. Find the number of men in the bus. So out of 42, 14 are women. So what will be the number of men? 42 minus 14 means number of passenger minus number of women. Remaining 28 means 28 were men. So here B is correct answer. Question number 23. A pie was divided into 5 equal parts. NASA ate 1 by 5 of the pie. Tony ate 2 by 5 of the pie. Jenny ate 1 by 5 of the pie. What fraction of pie was eaten by the children? So here one pie is divided into 5 equal parts. Now one part, 1 by 5 eaten by Nasa, means out of 5 parts she ate 1 part. So this eaten by Nasa. Tony ate 2 by 5 part, means out of 5 piece he ate 2 piece. So this 2 piece eaten by Tony. Jenny ate 1 by 5 of the pie, means out of 5 pieces she ate 1 part. So this part is eaten by Jenny. So what fraction of pie was eaten by children? So this part is eaten by all children. So total part 5 and this 4 part eaten by children. So 4 by 5. A is correct answer. Question number 24. Niharika brought the fruits given in the adjoining figure from the market. What fraction of fruits are bananas in the basket? There are total 9 fruits in the basket and out of 9, 4 are bananas. So fraction will be 4 by 9. A is correct answer. Question number 25. There are 10 fish in an aquarium. 3 of them are goldfish. What fraction of fish are not goldfish? So total fish are 10 and out of 10, 3 are goldfish. Means remaining 7 fish are not goldfish. The fraction of fish that are not goldfish are 7 by 10. So here B is correct answer. Question number 26. Read the following statement carefully and match the column. Vidhi has 60 apple. She gave 1/3 of it to her sister and 1/5 of remaining to her brother. Column A1. The number of apples she gave to her sister. She is having 60 apples. And out of 60 she gave her sister 1/3 of apples. So into 1/3 means 1 by 3. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and 0 means 20 apples she gives to her sister. For A, 2 is correct. Option B, the number of apples she gave to her brother. She gave 1/5 of remaining to her brother. Now out of 60 she gave to her sister 20 apple. So how much remaining? 60 minus 20 is 40. Remaining 40. And out of 40, 1/5 she gave to her brother. So into 1 by 5. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. So is equal to 8. She gave her brother 8 apples. Option C, the number of apples left with her. She gave 20 to her sister and 8 to her brother. Means total she gave 28 apples. And she was having 60 apples. 60 minus 28 is 32. So remaining apple 32. So here C 3 is correct answer. So here option C is correct. Question number 27. If one box is equal to 2 flowers and this equal to 1 whole, then express this as a fraction of whole. So instead of this one box, we put 2 flower and this instead of this box 2 flower. It's total 9 flower. And out of 9, here we put 2 flower instead of box. So this will become 4 flower. So out of 9, 4 flower. This represent 4/9 fraction. So B is correct answer. Question number 28. Jay and Nihal will paint the circle shown here. If Jay will paint 2/8 of the circle and Nihal will paint another 3/8 of the circle, then what fraction of the circle is left to paint? If Jay painted 2/8 means out of 8 he painted 2 parts, and Nihal painted 3/8 of the circle means out of 8 part he painted 3 parts. So these parts are painted by Nihal. So how much remaining? These 3 parts are remaining. So out of 8, 3 parts are remaining. So the fraction of circle is left to paint is 3/8. D is correct answer. Question number 29. Select the correct statement. Option A. 5/26 represent the fraction of vowels in English alphabets. Total there are 26 alphabets, and out of 26, 5 are vowels: A, E, I, O, U. So this statement is correct. Option B. Out of 2 dozen bananas, 12 are rotten. The fraction of not rotten bananas is 12/24. 2 dozen means 24 banana, and out of 24, 12 are rotten means remaining are not rotten. So remaining means 24 minus 12 is 12. So this option is also correct. Option C. These fractions are arranged in ascending order. Their denominator are same. So we check 1, 3, 8, 12, 17. These are arranged in ascending order. This statement is also correct. So all of this. D is correct. Question number 30. Find the value of P, Q and R. Option A. 4/13 plus 7/13 is equal to P. Here denominator are same, so we can directly add 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 11/13 is P. Second is 18/15 minus 4/15. Here also their denominator are same, so we can directly subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4 is Q. And 4 plus 10 plus 3 plus 10 plus 2 plus 10 is equal to, here so 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 9. This equal to R. So B is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video.
Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.